first part to testing your pool is collecting the water sample. The kit comes with this tube, which is what you use to test the water. You can either refill this thing over and over to get your water samples, or a measuring cup. The main priority is that when you're taking your test sample, whatever you're using, you put it into the water upside down so no water gets in, and then you want to go elbow deep, about 18 inches down, and then you flip it over and you bring it up. The reason being is that the chemistry is going to be different from the top to down lower, where the water is more circulated. Elements have a different effect on the water at the top. So you want to make sure that you're getting your water from a lower position. So here we go, our measuring cup, flip it over, elbow deep, bring it up. Then you got your measure, and you can go find a place in the shade and do your measuring.